Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best adult archery set is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding hobbies you can pick up, offering a fantastic way to improve focus, build upper body strength, and connect with a timeless skill that has been used for centuries for hunting and sport. Whether you're a complete beginner looking to try something new or an experienced archer seeking a reliable and high-quality setup for practice or competition, choosing the right archery set is crucial for a safe, enjoyable, and effective experience. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider, ensuring you find the perfect bow and arrow combination to hit your targets and achieve your archery goals. Number 5. Youth Recurve Archery Beginner Longbow Kit. Introducing a 45-inch bow and arrow set designed for beginners aged 8 to 16. With an adjustable draw weight, it's perfect for almost anyone in the family to start their archery journey. It makes a fantastic gift for boys and girls of all ages. Crafted with sturdy fiberglass limbs and a comfortable silicone-coated grip, this set is built to last. The durable bowstring ensures it can withstand frequent use, giving parents peace of mind. It's a safe and reliable choice for young archers. This set includes blunt-tipped arrows for safe play, a finger saver for comfortable shooting, and an arm guard to prevent injuries. It's easy to assemble with a helpful user manual, and its dual-handed design suits both right and left-handed users. This comprehensive kit includes everything needed to get started: a bow, 9 safety arrows, target faces, target nails, an arm guard, a quiver, a pin sight, and a user manual. It's an ideal package for beginners and teens. Engage in exciting outdoor activities that enhance fine motor skills and coordination. This set encourages shooting practice, boosts social skills through games with family, and develops an interest in sports. It's perfect for individual practice or family bonding. What we like. This set is designed with young archers in mind, featuring safety-focused materials and a comfortable grip. If you are looking for a gift that is both fun and educational for children aged 8 to 16, this is an excellent choice. It provides a complete package to get them started safely. What people say. This is a great set for introducing archery. My son loves it, and it has truly kindled a love for the sport in his heart. The price is spot on for this set, which is fairly durable, and surprisingly accurate despite being a simple bow. Made with good materials to tolerate the learning curve associated with learning to string a bow, and from what I see, years of use. I tried it myself, however, and was very impressed that it not only easily hit the target on the first shot, but embedded the arrow more than halfway into the fiber target. This could function for small game hunting with enough practice and the right kind of arrows and heads. It is extremely strong, but it's not hard to draw back. I'm glad it comes with 9 arrows, which is more than other sets. Extremely good quality. Number 4. Sanlida Archery Dragon X8 RTH Compound Bow Package. Introducing the Sanlida Archery Dragon X8 RTH Compound Bow Package. This versatile bow is designed for both adults and teens, offering a wide range of adjustability for any archer. This complete package comes with everything you need to get started, including a sight, arrow rest, stabilizer, quiver, release, and more. It's truly ready to hunt right out of the box. With an adjustable draw length from 18 to 31 inches and draw weight from 0 to 70 pounds, it requires no bow press for adjustments. This makes it a perfect fit for all ages and skill levels. Crafted with CNC machined cams and 6061 T6 aluminum, it's built to last. The high-quality BCY D97 string and cables ensure reliable performance shot after shot. Experience impressive speed with up to 310 frames per second IBO rating. Its lightweight design at only 3.8 pounds makes it easy to handle for extended periods. Enjoy peace of mind with a limited lifetime warranty on main parts. Plus, we offer prompt support for any accessory issues you might encounter. What we like. This compound bow offers incredible adjustability, allowing it to grow with the archer from beginner to advanced levels. If you are a serious archer looking for a versatile bow that can be customized without special tools and comes with a strong warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. The beauty of this product is that it has everything you need in a box to set it up and get shooting. The bowstring is already set up with AD loop, and peep sight is much added value for a beginner to compound archery that doesn't have access to a bow press. The sight is quite functional and does not need to be replaced. The whisker-style 3-point arrow rest is also excellent just as it is. Number 3. Genesis Original Lightweight Left-Handed Archery Compound Bow. This bow offers adjustable draw length and weight, ensuring a customized fit for archers of all ages and skill levels. It's engineered for optimal performance and reliability. Featuring a single cam, it requires no tuning and provides minimal recoil for enhanced accuracy. This makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. It comes pre-assembled with a durable aluminum riser, composite limbs, and high-strength bowstrings. You can start using it right out of the box. Designed specifically for left-hand users, this lightweight compound bow is perfect for various archery experiences. It's adaptable to different environments and conditions. Crafted by a trusted brand, this bow combines superior construction with user-friendly features. Experience an unmatched archery journey with it. What we like. This bow simplifies the archery experience with its innovative single-cam system, meaning no complicated tuning is required. If you are a beginner or someone who values ease of use and accuracy right out of the box, this adaptable and lightweight bow is perfect for you. What people say. The school has around 40 bows so that students do not have to buy their own bow. The other coaches and I can adjust the draw weight to suit everyone from small 5th graders to big seniors in high school in minutes using just an Allen wrench. These things are extremely sturdy, are consistent, and can grow with young archers as they get stronger and need a longer draw length and weight. It's truly a one-bow-fits-all. My daughter, son, and I can all use it. What makes this bow so awesome as a family bow is not only is the draw weight adjustable. The draw length is however far you pull back. Doesn't matter if you're small with short arms or tall with long arms, it just fits. Number 2. Takedown Aluminum Alloy Archery Bow Set. Discover the joy of archery with this complete takedown bow and arrow set. It's designed for both beginners and experienced archers looking for quality and performance. Experience a comfortable grip with its ergonomically designed aluminum alloy riser. The limbs are made from indestructible fiberglass, ensuring it's strong and sturdy for countless practice sessions. Setting up is a breeze with this takedown bow. It comes with an alien wrench for quick and easy assembly, so you can start shooting in no time. This right-handed set is designed for perfect aim. Hold the riser in your left hand and draw the string with your right, aligning the arrow with your right eye for accuracy. Whether you're an entry-level enthusiast, an intermediate archer, or introducing archery to family and friends, this set offers excellent quality and performance for adults and teens alike. This set features a 51-inch bow length and a 21-inch riser, with draw weights available in 30 or 40 pounds. It weighs just 2.6 pounds, making it easy to handle. What we like. This takedown recurve bow is built with a durable aluminum riser and is designed for adult beginners looking for a solid entry into the sport. If you appreciate a sturdy build and a classic archery feel, this set offers good performance for its class. What people say. The arrows puncture through the board with 4 to 6 inches protruding in the back. Comes with everything you need to get shooting the day of arrival. I was surprised by this bow and the arrows, but the thing I like most that I was not expecting is just how quiet this bow is to shoot. Number 1. DNQ Archery Takedown Recurve Bow Set. Embark on your archery adventure with this complete bow and arrow set. It's designed for beginners, providing everything you need to start shooting in minutes. Whether you're left or right-handed, this bow is designed for you. Its ambidextrous design and durable construction ensure a comfortable and long-lasting experience. Enjoy extended practice sessions with its ergonomically designed riser. It's comfortable to hold, allowing you to focus on improving your aim without fatigue. This set offers excellent value, featuring quality accessories and a bow designed for performance. Experience the thrill of accuracy and accomplishment. Get started right away with all the essential accessories included. From arrows to targets and protective gear, you won't need to buy anything extra. This entry-level set is perfect for developing your skills. It's designed to be easy to operate, helping you achieve greater accuracy and distance. What we like. This recurve bow set is incredibly versatile, catering to both left and right-handed archers with its ambidextrous design and comfortable grip. If you are a beginner, whether adult or teen, seeking an affordable yet capable bow for target practice, this set provides excellent value and a smooth introduction to archery. What people say. Solid quality Allen wrench, arrows, targets included. It's lightweight and not too hard to pull. Looks cool and like the dark color. And it works very well. She has probably put about 200 arrows, including the ones that it came with. It's held up very well so far. Very pleased with this purchase. Great for young kids as well as beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.